Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. It's your girl Cavell. If you're a new subscriber, hey, what's up? And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a printer that I purchased from Best Buy. And I kind of wanted to incorporate this on my channel because I have a few projects coming up. And that's going to be one of the items that I'm going to be using a lot in those videos. So I kind of wanted to do an unboxing just so if anybody is interested in what I end up purchasing, to be able to do those future projects, this would be the one, and I'll link it for all of my videos as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The printer that I purchased is the HP Deskjet 2742e, and it's in the color Himalayan pink, and I think it's a it's a limited edition color. As you can see, I love pink all over in this room, so I thought it would be a great addition. I need to find somewhere to put it. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to end up buying a little desk to shove in that corner, and then so that way I'd be able to kind of pop this on there. So let me just get the box open and we'll get into the details of the printer. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by opening it up. This is just a little pamphlet, a guide, setup guide. And I'm guessing this would be the cord, the power cord, and my 2 ink cartridges for color and black and white. I guess some never run out of ink, so some kind of supply subscription, another piece of paper, and then let's get this bad boy out. Stay connected, other little stuff. Y'all know the deal. I don't like to read instructions, but this is a little reference guide, and we're just gonna start by peeling off all of this. Okay, I'm gonna plug that in. Okay, and then for the plug-in, pretty straightforward. There's a little USB connection here at the back, and then your little power connection is right in the middle. Let me just push that in. Okay, and then we're gonna plug that up. Okay, so this is what the printer looks like a little bit up close. So that's the power on button, as well as the cancel, your little Wi-Fi connection, and then all the other little buttons there. And then just some blurb about getting never running out of ink. Okay, so that's what the little scanner copier top piece looks like. And then it as well has some paper on there. We can remove that. We're gonna close that back up. And then this is where the inks go. So I'm just gonna turn that on right now. And load the ink. So as you can see, the little 2 ink things, they've now just positioned themselves in the middle once I turned it on. And I'm now going to just open up the inks and put those in there. So these are the 2 little inks here. Let me just open those up. Okay, so there we have both of the ink, the colored as well as the black. So we're just going to remove this little thing here. And forgive me, I'm just working with one hand right now. Okay, so we've removed that. And now we're gonna just pop that in here. Yep, and then you just want to hear that clicking sound, and then just the same for the black one. I'm gonna just remove that. Okay, and pop that one in as well. And And there we go. They are both in. So that's the colored side, the black side, and the type of ink is just 67. So just in case you want to be able to search for that. And that is in. So we're going to close up that little first panel and then close that second one. At the back here, you have your little paper feeder thing. You could just have that open up. Okay, boom. So now we're just gonna do a little setup of my wireless, and then we're gonna do a test print. Now that I have my printer set up, so I did just wildly set that up through the HP app, and I'll put that on the screen so you'll be able to see it. I'm just gonna use some cardstock paper because I don't actually have any, like it's typing paper, computer paper, or whatever the hell you want to call it. So I'm just gonna use 2 of my cardstock paper, and I'm just gonna load that into here. Okay, slide that all the way over here, and then lay that in there. So as a test print, it's a thank you card that I have, so I'm gonna try to print that. Print and print. Okay, pretty fast. And for the printer I paid I think it was like $68.99, so with taxes it came to about like $79, so pretty cost effective as well. Okay, so that's what my little printout looks like. This is just like a random thank you card that I made. I could have scaled it down, but I just wanted it to print it at full capacity. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. $68.99, really not a bad price. And as well, I think it's a really good budget friendly printer. So it is a jet ink printer, so that's the main reason why I purchased this one, because it does have wireless capabilities, so that's also amazing. As I said, I'm going to be using this printer quite a bit throughout my next projects, so I'll also double back and let you know how well this printer has been working for me, how well it's holding up, doing the different tasks that I needed to do. As always, thank you guys for tuning into another video. Make sure to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.